Hi everyone, this is the market recap for May 28th. We are working with LH Trading System and LH Level System since the market opened. On the left side, we have LH Trading System. It is a scalping strategy that analyzes in real time the supply and demand on the tape, identify aggressive buyers or sellers, also identify distribution or absorption zones. From the configuration menu, you can define your targets and your stop loss. You can also work with multiple targets and trailing stop. Once the exact entry point is identified, the trade is executed automatically. You also have a button panel that works in real time to manage the trade or change some settings. On the right side, we have LH Level Systems analyzing the market from the opening to design and deploy the levels. Imagine a strategy that identifies key market levels, executes trades based on predictable price action, and allows you to trade 100% hands-free or manage it at the click of a button. That's exactly what the LH Level System delivers. So, how does it work? It's simple. The strategy analyze, design, and deploy smart levels from the market opening. When price breaks a level, it places a limit order at the broken level, expecting a pullback. The stop loss is set at the previous level, and the profit target is the next level. And that's not all. The LH Level System comes with a smart hedging tool, helping you navigate uncertain markets, and an auto break-even system to lock in profits while reducing risk. It's time to trade smarter, not harder. The LH Level System, precision, automation, and smart trading all in one powerful strategy. See you in the demo.